Okay, here's the problem. You want to print something like this. It's got embedded text that you're going to print in a separate color, make it backlightable or whatever. The way you've made this text is by through a sketch and then extruding these things, so it creates a bunch of bodies or multiple components that they, in the end, it's the same thing or the same problem. So you've got this thing. Pay attention to trim right here. I'm going to do this all here so you can see the whole flow and see if it applies to the problem you're having. So we're going to 3D print this. Save it here. See sim stuff parts building. Okay. We've done that. See sim stuff parts building. It is this one. Every time you open it from scratch, it's going to say this. It's going to say this. You say no. It's going to say this. And if you want all the parts to stay in the right place, say yes. Okay, now it's all black. I'm going to print this face down, but that's not necessary or relevant to this. So now we go into objects. The fastest way to do this is to select all of them, make them white, and then find the actual body. That's it, the frame, the case that I want to be black, and make it black. Okay, so as you can see, all the letters are here. The word trim is intact, although it does this weird display thing. Now I'm going to slice it. And the R has disappeared. Now I can tell you there's a lot of internet responses that say all kinds of things like this letter is too large, there's not enough space, the nozzle's too large. Try 0.2. As you can see, I'm doing this with a 0.4. I've tried 0.2. I've tried separating this text all the way across so there's huge gaps in between them, and still that R is never there after I slice it. I've tried this in Bambu Studio and in Orca Slicer with 100 different setups. So now, just to make sure we're on the same page, I'm going to do this again and change nothing. So this is the flow again. Same place, see sim stuff parts building. I'm going to replace it. We'll go over here, we have a new updated time. So this is our new one. Again, we have to go through this because it's the first time we're opening it in Bambu Studio or in the slicer. We're going to do this bit again, make everything white, and then find the actual body or the frame and make that black. Again, we're where we saw we were, the word trim is there, slice it, and again the R is completely missing. So here is how you fix it. This, it created multiple body ones. The R is actually the top one, and that's the one that's getting skipped. If you take this one and drag it to the top and slice it again, magically, hopefully, the R will appear. So be aware, one, that you can drag things here, And two, if you have multiples like this, it's going to have some kind of default sort order. And I gotta think there's a bug that makes this object not print if it's in the first position for some reason. Either the larger object or the, I don't know what, has to be first. But if you start seeing these characters drop and it's frustrating the heck out of you, try moving some stuff around in here. Drag these around. Mainly, I would say make the body or the large part of your part the top of this. Alrighty? I hope you don't spend 20s of hours fighting this problem like I have. Have a good day.